Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use iron-on letters from Walmart. First, gather your supplies. Your iron-on letters, a standard household iron, a firm, flat surface like an ironing board, and a thin pressing cloth or pillowcase. Next, preheat your iron to the cotton setting, usually between 300 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, prepare your fabric by ensuring it's clean, dry, and completely smooth. This preparation is crucial for a successful application. Achieving perfect placement is key for a professional look. Begin by carefully arranging your letters on the fabric. Take your time to ensure they are straight and evenly spaced. A ruler can be incredibly helpful here, especially if you're working with multiple words or lines. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, you can use a few small pieces of heat-resistant tape to temporarily secure the letters, preventing any unwanted movement while you iron. Now for the main event, applying the heat. Place your thin pressing cloth directly over your arranged letters. This protects both the letters and your fabric from scorching. With your preheated iron, press down firmly and evenly on each letter for about 20 to 30 seconds. It's important to lift and press, rather than sliding the iron, to ensure consistent heat transfer across the entire design. Repeat this process until all letters are securely adhered. Once you've ironed all the letters, the next step is patience. Let the fabric and letters cool down completely for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the adhesive to fully set. Then, gently peel off the backing paper from one corner, making sure the letters are firmly attached. For long-lasting results, wait a full 24 hours before washing the item, and always wash it inside out in cold water on a gentle cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.